Hello everyone, today I'm especially excited to introduce our fully automatic packaging machine. First, let's talk about its incredibly powerful automatic bag loading feature. No more manual placement of bags needed. Thanks to advanced sensors and a precise mechanical system, it can pick up empty bags from the storage area and place them accurately, ready for the next packaging steps. This not only saves labor, but also speeds up the packaging process and ensures that the bags are placed accurately every single time. Another highlight is its ability to effectively remove excess air from the materials. As you know, during the packaging process, there is often air trapped inside the product. However, our machine is equipped with a dedicated air extraction system, which gently draws out and ventilates the excess air, thoroughly removing it so that the packaged product is more compact and stable. This not only optimizes packaging space, but also makes the product look better and can even extend its shelf life. In summary, this fully automatic packaging machine, with its outstanding features, is an excellent choice for streamlining the packaging process and improving efficiency. It can help your business achieve success in packaging operations.